As I mentioned before, in order to receive Home and Community-Based Services, HCBS, people must first enroll in Medicaid. This is a key step in the enrollment process. A person's eligibility is based on how much care they need and whether they are likely to live in a facility instead of getting help at home or in their community. Getting on a Home and Community-Based Services waiver in Colorado involves several steps. The first step is to determine eligibility. This will ensure that you or the individual needing services meets the eligibility criteria, which often includes being a Colorado resident, having a qualifying disability, and meeting specific income and asset requirements. Remember, you must also be enrolled in Medicaid. The next step is to contact your local case management agency, or CMA. They will assign you a case manager to help you navigate the application process. Next, you will need to complete the application. You will do this alongside your case manager. They are there to guide you through the necessary forms. These forms typically include providing personal information, medical history, and details about your needs. Once you get through the application, you will need to schedule an assessment. This is meant to evaluate your needs and determine eligibility. This will often involve interviews and a review of medical documentation. If eligible, the case manager will then help you to create a service plan, or SP. That outlines the services and supports needed, and it will help you to enroll in a waiver. Once this is completed, the case management agency will submit all of this information to the Colorado Department of Health Care Policy and Financing, HCPF, and wait for approval. Once approved, you can begin receiving services under the HCBS waiver. Your case manager will continue to assist you in managing and adjusting your services as needed. Regular annual reviews will be conducted to ensure that services continue to meet your needs and to update your service plan as necessary. For specific details and to start the process, it is best to contact your local CMA directly. They can provide tailored guidance based on your situation. During this process, you are building a team of people that can support you. If you are having difficulty or you feel you need more assistance, don't hesitate to seek out an advocate who can help guide you through the process.